Are you ready to indulge your love for shopping in Hong Kong? This vibrant city offers a plethora of shopping hotspots that cater to every taste and budget. From the bustling streets of Causeway Bay to the luxury boutiques of Tsim Sha Tsui, there is something for everyone in this shopping paradise. Start your shopping adventure in Causeway Bay, where you can explore the iconic Sogo department store and trendy fashion walk. Make sure to visit during the summer sales season for incredible discounts. Cross the harbor to Tsim Sha Tsui for a mix of luxury boutiques and local shops. Don't miss Nathan Road or Harbor City, the largest mall in Hong Kong. Head to Mongkok for incredible deals at Ladies Market and the latest electronics at Sim City. Haggling is expected here, so don't be shy. Central is where you will find high-end luxury brands and hidden treasures in charming side streets. Check out PMQ for unique local designs. For a DIY paradise, visit Sham Shui Po for craft supplies and vintage curiosities. Wan Chai offers a blend of traditional markets and modern shopping complexes, while Shangwan is a hidden gem for antiques and artisanal finds. Don't forget to explore the new territories for outlet shopping and Stanley Market for seaside shopping serenity. End your shopping spree at IFC Mall in Central, where you can shop in style with a stunning harbor. Hong Kong offers great shopping year-round, with major sale seasons during Chinese New Year and summer. The city is safe for shoppers, and most stores accept credit cards. Enjoy your shopping adventure in Hong Kong. It's an experience you won't forget.